So what is up, everybody? We are back with another video on Turbo, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Turbo has been doing recently. As we all know, the market hasn't been too great recently and everything just seems to be going down. So we're going to be covering why it is down and if there's still hope. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Turbo at 0.208392, down about 5.76% in the past 24 hours. So before we do continue the video, I do want to mention today's sponsor, and this is Rent-NFT. Again, this is a crazy project in the market right now. If you want to make profit without potentially risking your money going down, you might want to check out this project. Again, this could give you 5% returns within just 5 hours. So this is plan one. You could see 105% after just 5 hours. So whatever money you spend, it goes from $10 to $5,000. You could make a 5% pure profit in just 5 hours. I know a lot of investment plans that take way more than 5 hours to give you back 5%, sometimes even years. So this is a crazy project right now. Let's log in to take you through how it works. And if you will be taken to this dashboard when you log in, when you create your account. Again, go to Rent-NFT right here on the tab and select which one you are going to do. Payment system is the payment you are going to pay with, so select anything. For example, just if you want to pay with Tron, you could select Tron, BNB, and put in how much you want to invest. So let's say you're investing $1,000 in this. Just click Rent-NFT, and then you will be taken to a page where you could deposit this money into the wallet. So just copy this wallet, transfer over whatever amount you're investing, and after 5 hours you could head to the withdrawal tab and just withdraw your money. It will show up here. If you do want to check out the full video, I have a full-fledged video on this, so do make sure to check it out if you are interested. So getting back to the video, we are sitting at about $548 million market cap and at around $88 million in volume. So again, not doing too great. Volume is less than $100 million, which Turbo usually isn't known for. Turbo is known for having the crazy volume to market cap ratio, and currently it's only sitting at about 16%. So again, we have touched about 95% volume to market cap ratio. That was back when Turbo was getting $800 million of volume and the market cap was above $800 million. So those were the days, and that is how Turbo is known. And seeing $88 million of volume in Turbo doesn't look too great. But again, it's not just Turbo. Everything just seems to be wiping out right now. Bitcoin 2% down in the past 24 hours. 2% in Bitcoin means a lot. And even if in the week Bitcoin was sitting at about 102k, and now it is back, actually went all the way down to $92,000. That is $10,000 wiped out from Bitcoin. And again, if we come over here to crypto bubbles, we only see a couple of these green coins right here that are actually up in the week. We see mostly these are red right now. Daily, almost all of them are red as well. So again, not doing too great. Even the overall market, about 8%, 4%, 6%. Almost every coin is down right now, and Turbo is doing the same, down about 5.6% in the daily, and in the weekly it is down about 8%. Again, it did a pretty decent rally earlier this week, went to 1 cent, and then had a rejection again. So it just keeps happening. Every time we seem to be going to 1 cent, we just seem to be getting rejected. So let's take a look at the chart right here. Again, we have hit 1 cent a couple of times. So let's take a closer look at the short term first, then we'll take a look at the long term. So this is the short term graph, and we are looking at the 4 term again, 4 hour actually, and we have just seen about a 25% dip, which is again a huge number for any meme coin to see. And from the recent all-time high, we are down, let's see, we are at the current time we are down about 40%, and in the dip we were down about 50%. So it does seem to be recovering, but it does seem to be doing better than this dip. We could see we made a higher high and then we closed off right here, but then again we did another run. We didn't go higher than this previous high, so we just dipped down right here. We have hit 1 cent a couple times. We hit 1 cent right here. We hit in the previous time when we did see the all-time high, we went to 1.4 pennies, but then again we hit 1 cent right here, and then we hit 1 cent again, and then we have gotten rejected. So this just keeps happening in Turbo, but that is because that is the current price range it keeps coming back to. This again is a huge range for Turbo. This range right here is a regular Turbo range that Turbo trades around a lot even before this as well, and we could see it is still trading in this range right here. We are at about 0.208, and this usually goes down to about 0.208. So again, I would expect it a little slow, but again, if we look at the gains that Q1 has for us, we could see Ethereum, which Turbo is based on, 2023 was 52% for Ethereum, 2024 was 59%, and 2025 has just started and we are already up about 10%. I don't know when this chart was made, but let's ignore this because this number will change this year until the quarter does end. But we could see almost all of these numbers. The first quarter of Ethereum does do really good. We've seen 518%, and then the next year we did see a pretty decent dip, 46%, then 5%, 3%, 160% in the first quarter of 2021. 2022 was another 10% down, but then we kept seeing it rise. So this around every 3 years we do see a little bit of a dip, but again, this is the third year. This isn't the fourth, and looking at how it has just started, it is just the beginning. 50-60% we do see regular in the previous years, and I'm very excited to see what we will do this year as well. So again, this has just started. We are only into about the second week of January now, and almost everything is dipping right now, but most likely it will recover very soon, and we will see this going back to regular prices. If we take a look at 92% of community still bullish, we could see I'm bullish on Turbo. Rug pull in effect, the pump already happened, now it's dump phase. So a lot of people misunderstand the term rug pull. Rug pull is when the developer just sells on everybody and it just almost goes nearly to zero, and this definitely cannot possibly go to zero because the developer doesn't even have that high of holding, and not even the top 10% or top 25 have that holding that can make this coin go to zero. Again, rug pull is a very different term that people use, and a lot of people just confuse it because the coin is just down in general. And again, this possibly cannot be a rug pull by the way it's structured. If it is on the world's top exchanges, again, I do want to take another look at this. If it's on the world's top exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and all of these other 115 plus spot exchanges, they definitely did their research. They definitely made sure this was not a rug pull, so they keep the reputation of their own company and this coin as well. So almost 99% this is not a rug pull, and we see a lot of negative comments in the chat today. Reversal happening, so people are saying it's going down. Way to go to touch the lower channel. Why is the market going down again today? So again, it's not just Turbo, it's the overall market. Turbo is a snipe at these prices. Some people are taking these prices as an opportunity to get back in at stronger. Still holding rank at 144 regardless of every coin in red. That means all coins are taking a hit and Turbo is still in the same spot. Just remember, any coin in the top 200 is going to pop this banana bull run, and the ones that are already highly listed are going to melt the world. So this again is very highly listed on most of the exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and all these other exchanges as well. Followers, you cannot feed into the fear. We all know we all wanted better results the past month, but we must continue to spread the AI toad around and show strength. Retail is hesitant right now, but smart money knows what to do. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. The people in the comments are not financial advisors. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research first before you get into any of these meme coins in the market right now. And again, we could see that these days do happen in the market where people start losing hope. People are just super bearish on these coins. That definitely happens every time we see coins going down or the overall market goes down. And when the market goes back up, everyone is bullish all up again. So again, it is just a part of the game. You just have to believe and just have patience. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo, what it has been doing recently. So if you do want to stay updated on Turbo, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.